Here is another first in terms of, hold on, I'm on focus. Here is another first for me in my long term of taking photos of houses. So here I'll give you a little tour around of this perfectly fine property. So downstairs, it's strange. Well, it is kind of strange because you come in, what seems like there's no way to get your car anywhere near. So be prepared for the removal men to be very annoyed about having to get anything here. And this is your only entrance, which is interesting. But so this is an extension that they've added on. Nice, brings in lots of light. Nice area. And then you kind of go into your sitting room, dining room, whatever it is. And then over here you've got kind of a utility room or fuses and stuff. Downstairs loo, stairwell to upstairs, back into there, all good. Kitchen, all looking good. Charging up my batteries. Quite a small back garden. So yeah, looks nice, especially in the sun. Look at this, blue sky day. So yeah, nothing about this is unusual, but this place has one particularly unusual bit. So up the stairs, as we come upstairs, seems like a pretty normal kind of layout. Bedroom. Over here, got some storage. Fine, pretty cool bathroom here. This is unusual. Check it out. This on its own is actually worth a video. Red and black striped ceiling. Very unusual. Full window, black shelving, corner bath. This is pretty pimp. This is a black wall. Very, very pirate. I feel like a pirate in this one. We are in a place called North Berwick. And then next bedroom. Yeah, cool. Cool view over. Over the extension bit there. Cool neighbour's house. Good amount of storage. Yeah, all happy days. Yeah, you're probably still thinking like nothing about this. Looking interesting. Different second bedroom. Possibly the main bedroom. You've got normal wardrobe space. Yeah, all good. Last room. Fine. Yeah, nothing to report. And that's exactly how I was going. And I was like, yeah, everything's fine. Cool. I'll go get the photos. Go get the floor plan. I'll just check in this airing cupboard. That's not an airing cupboard. This, what? I was like, this should be. We're at the top of the stairs. Carpeted floor. This should be where you just like some shelves to put your towels in. So you've got a downstairs toilet. You've got an upstairs bath. Okay, so it's got a shower just coming from the bath there. And I thought they've put in a tiny and yeah, hold on. I cannot get in. It's just like even if I go in sideways, that is exactly, that is belly size. So, but yeah, it's got everything you need. But it's just, that's yeah, not for anybody overweight. Yeah, my belly could not fit through that without bouncing off. But yeah, that was just like, that was a real shocker, real surprise. Why not have it off of a bedroom? So it's like, at least it's into your bedroom. You could have that and a sink. So you could have the shower there and a sink. Or something, or a toilet. Maybe not a toilet, a sink. So then at least you've kind of got like an ensuite shower room. But just a shower cubicle in a cupboard. In fact, what's it like if you are in here? Because if you're in here, you're having a shower. And then you're like, oh, I don't want anybody to see me. Hold on. Then you're in. If you've got claustrophobia, not a great place. And also, just now I'm hoping this does definitely get, yes, a little bit of a worry of that one. But yeah, not the place that I would put a shower. But definitely, if you're a property developer, look at the potential of this place. Clearly needs a shower. Why not build it in here? Take out these wardrobes. You've already got the wardrobe space there. Do something there. But yeah, the smallest, strangest shower I've been in a long time. So there, thought I'd have to share that with you. There you go.